think of a situation. You are working in any company. Your boss has assigned you to write 100 of pages, to type 100 of pages, but it seems very difficult, or it seems impossible for you, right? 100 of pages. But think that if you detect the 100 of pages, if you read that 100 of pages, and automatically there will be a system that will write the 100 of pages, then the situation is very simple. The situation got very simple. How that can be done? Everything, the solution I have present in this video. So watch this video to the end. I will tell you more about this. Let's jump to the PC screen. To dictate the voice, and that voice will automatically convert to text, there is a simple tool called Dictation.io. If you click Dictation.io, you will get a website like this. Now you can give voice command, or else you can launch the dictation tool that I want to use over it, dictation tool. So in this dictation tool, everything, let me remove over there, and if I start, then I will press the start button. And while I am telling you that this is the simple tool of dictation, where you just speak and that text will be typed automatically. Let's see. So let me press the stop button. Now you can see that whatever I have told, and the same thing has been typed automatically. Now you can copy, you can save, you can publish, or you can do any of the text work you can do right now. So this is the simple tool that I use every day, every time. If you like this kind of informative technical videos, you can stay subscribed to my YouTube channel, and you can check out my other videos in my YouTube channel itself. I hope that this video is helpful for you. So right now I am signing out from this video. We'll see you in this next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.